how often in our lives are we so depleted, too stressed out, overwhelmed, exhausted that it's difficult to meditate? So tonight's meditation is for you to recharge, rejuvenate, to clear out any of that negative energy without having to think too much. So for it, you'll need to be standing. So please come to your feet. And the first move that we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with connecting and bringing the energy from the earth up our bodies, recharging us, rejuvenating us. So weave your hands together, put your feet flat on the floor, and bring your palms up like you're bringing the energy of the earth up the spine, up, out the head, and then bringing your hands stretching out to your sides, down onto the legs. We're going to do that 2 more times. So really just feel your feet on the floor, weave your hands together, and imagine that you're scooping the vitality of the earth up the spine, up the face, up, out the top of your head, stretching your spine up to meet the sky as you bring your hands down the sides of your body, which also is just bringing your auric field, attaching it on to your body. One more time as we pull the energy up from the earth, up the spine, up throughout our bodies, stretching our spine up as we bring our hands down, connecting them onto our legs as we connect into the grounding power of the earth, heightening our vitality and feeling more in our space. So just notice how you feel, anchoring in, getting more energy from the energy of the earth. And now our next motion is kind of bend your knees, and we're going to bring our hands like we're going back and forth. And what we're doing here is it's like we're letting go of the past, putting what's holding us back behind us, just pushing it behind us as we make more room for our path and our future, just clearing out what no longer serves. It's like you're on the golden path, charting out your future, doing this qigong move, just letting the motion of your body do the work as just relaxing into clearing out, removing the past, any of the debris. Again, making room for your future, for your growth, to bring into your field, into your life, in which that is you desire. Being present, babe, only looking forward. Again, just enjoying the movement of your body, relaxing into now. The qigong movements do the rejuvenation for you. And then relaxing your body, relaxing the movement. As we come into our third qigong move for this evening to energize us and bring to us what it is that we desire. So in this move, we're going to take our hands up, palm up, and we're going to bring them up above our head, like we're connecting into the abundant energy of the universe, and then pulling that energy down our center, down through our heart. Imagine there's a pole that goes down into the earth, bringing all of that rich energy into our center. A couple more times as palms up, as we bring our arms up, fluffing up our energetic space of our auric field, connecting into the heavens above as we welcome in that showering of divine energy to come down through the head, down the face, down through our midline, and down and out the legs and feet. And let's take one more breath together as we inhale up, imagining that we're drawing this thread of universal love and energy force to come down and through our bodies, bringing us into peace, into centeredness, into our strength, and into our beautiful power in this moment of now. And then just bring your hands onto your heart center and notice how you feel. Many blessings. Namaste.